You can have the world, girl. You can have the world, girl.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre, and I'm back with another lit reaction. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Keep subscribing to my channel, yo. We got this Purr Movement reaction. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been asking for it, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying, I'm happy to be back with the reactions, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of stuff happening in personal life. I'm sweating right now. You know, I was working out, but you know what I'm saying? Just a lot of stuff going on, man. But I'm happy to be back, man. I'm happy to be doing videos once again, and let's turn up, people. I heard it's a lot of cakeage in this joint right here. I heard it's a lot of shaking in this joint right here. So we about to see what's going on though, man, but let's get it. Make sure y'all got your hydration source too, man. Y'all know I got mine.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay. I just need something. I just need some.
Hey, this gonna be juicy, people. This gonna be juicy, man. She said, I just need some, and then she just bust into a split, slow motion. Sip it with your pinkies up. That's a, bruh. Yo, they got Alexis and Zonta in the same group. That's gonna be crazy. I'm already sweating. When they come on, I'm be dripping. Came through dripping.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay
focused. Yo, who is she though? Because her sex appeal is just like on point, on target right now. You see the way she stared at the camera? Oh my gosh.
I don't think I can wait. I just need it now.
Look, I'm telling you. Do you see her? And she's smooth with it too, man. Hey, I think she like, we guessing, I think she might be like a little, she got a little bit of Spanish in her or something, something like that. I can tell. And then she wore your boy's favorite color, which is what? Black. Let's go. That's like the ultimate sex appeal color. I'm telling y'all, see, this is why I'm telling y'all. I always tell y'all, ladies, appreciate yourselves, man. As long as your booty ain't shaped like a bag of rocks, you cool. Little booties matter. This girl right here is representing for y'all. First of all, why are you that flexible? Why are you that flexible? That's crazy. And then you can tell though, like for real, she got skills. Other than her sex appeal, her dance movements are just crisp, sexy, swift. Let's get it. Don't get in your feelings. Hold on. Did she say don't get in your feelings? Hey, y'all be getting in y'all feelings though. For real. If it's right, y'all get in y'all feelings. We can too. Yeah, she did that. Yo, real talk though. Real quick. Savages, all three. You see how they did the colors? Dark skin, another brown, then it get light. We got the color scale right here, people. You feel me? Like, look at this. It don't get
honestly, I'm trying to
thick. Yo, Alexis is getting so. Why is she getting that thick? Is Thanksgiving every day for you? She eating and she working out. She looking good out here, man. See, they those type of girls right there where I look at them and I instantly get an attitude.
These lying niggas, baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Then a hug. Girls can never say they want it. Girls
And then look at Zonta hair, man. Every time she come out, man, it's like that. That's dope. That's dope. She embodies that beautiness. I said beautiness, right?
Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it.
Alexis, she probably got that from Fashion Nova though. That look like one of those I seen somebody wear. Yeah.
Girls can't never say nah. Oh, nah.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, girls. Y'all need to go ahead and get out on camera. I'm done with them, man. I'm done with them. Bunch of savages right there. And then they hit us with the Filipino special.
Stay focused. You must think I got to be.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She on to something.
I don't think I can.
She on to something.
I just need it out. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love.
I think what they did in this video, they took the baddest of each ethnic group and just threw them in a video. You feel me? Like, we thirst trapping this one.
Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug.
And then they all wearing like the black colors and stuff like that too, man. Y'all know what y'all doing.
Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing.
She did that. She did that. And I ain't even gonna front. She flexed.
Honestly,
Look at this thing.
I'm trying to stay
I'm trying to stay
focused.
focused too.
I got to be I don't think I can wait.
Y'all know it's just I just got a thing for that hair stuff right there. That's that right there, man. I don't get no better than that for real.
I just need it out. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love.
Yo, you wanna know for real, what I like about her for real is that her dance moves, she's powerful, but at the same time, she like sexy with it too.
Baby, I just need a
Yeah.
Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say how they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby.
See how she stopped like that? See how she stopped like that? Well, I tell you about her being powerful and everything, yo, but she just smooth with it, yo.
Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can give it to you right, baby.
Zonta.
I wanna be here, babe. I need some love. Hey, I need hey, I need some love.
I need some more water. This is tough.
Honestly, I'm trying to
Stay focused.
You, I don't think I can wait. I just need it out. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick.
Hey, yo, they all look good together when they dance together right here. I like this little group, though.
I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You want, ayy? You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug.
Hey, they got that certain sex appeal with this group right here, though. Y'all know what I'm talking about, though. I ain't the only one that just see it, though.
Girls can't never say they want it.
she did that. She did that. She did that.
Honestly, I'm
Trying to stay focused.
You must think I got to be
Oh, she had a little stumble, but hey, she recovered though.
joking my state. I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way.
Wait, I like her.
To be my
I like her.
love, ayy. You could be the one, ayy. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yes. Can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it.
I don't know, it's something about them pants she got on too, man. They look like, I don't know, but I just keep looking at them. Like, okay, it's something about them that I like. It's sexy, okay, cool.
Girls can't
Would y'all rock
never
those?
say nah.
Let me know.
Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason. I can get it to you.
The moment has come. The moment has come. She has arrived. Let me introduce y'all to my boo Alexis.
Honestly, I'm
Trying to stay focused. Hey, I'm trying to stay focused on her, but
I don't think I can wait.
man, hey, I'm telling y'all about this girl right here. Hey, I remember when I first started reacting to her, when I seen her for the first time, you know what I'm saying? The first thing that came to my head was like, yo, her cute big head self. I mean, she do got big head, but she's still bad though. Like, she cool peoples, man. Dang.
I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lying niggas, baby. I just need a thug. You could be the one, ayy. Can start with
The level of savagery that she's on, it is unacceptable. She need to stop this. This should be a crime. You should be going to jail for this.
a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug.
Cause she just out here breaking hearts.
Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it.
I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't want her to go. This video about to come to an end. Alright, whatever though. You know what I'm saying? I just want to sit here and just stare at you and just tell you how much I admire your dancing and stuff.
Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can.
That's the end of that video. Man, I really like that video. I really like that choreography. They did their thing. Yo, I can't even, I'm speechless right now. I just don't know what to say, man. I'm happy to be back. Starting off with a banger. Happy to be back. I'm happy to be back. Lord, I'm happy to be back. I'm feeling like myself again. I'm happy to be back. But make sure y'all smash that like button if you haven't already, man. Y'all know we promote beautiful women, beautiful people, beautiful minds. Let's keep spreading that love each and every day, man. I love the people that follow me, and I appreciate y'all for following me. But at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Keep spreading that love, because there's too much hate in this world. I love you guys, and I'm out.